Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to find bases in Donut SMP. Firstly, use coordinates and travel far. Most players build bases thousands or even millions of blocks from spawn. Travel diagonally from the spawn and use TPS if allowed, or follow nether highways and then go off route for better chances. Signs of nearby players often include random blocks placed, mined trees or floating treetops, crafted benches, furnaces or torches in unusual styles, chunk errors or so broken terrain indicating activity, boat trails across water or sea. Many players use the nether for fast travel, find nether highways, then explore off-path using elytra and pearls. Look for nether portals, especially in odd locations or far from the main highway. To use elytra plus tracers. Use an elytra with fireworks to scout huge areas quickly. In allowed mod packs, entry traces, chest ESP and free cap. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.